Okay, this one is pretty quick and easy, and it's actually basically dealing with a lot of what we've already talked about in the other two videos. But I did notice when I open it up and I click from wall to wall or from group to group, it all looks grouped exactly as it should. The one thing I noticed is that the slab and the stairs are grouped together, so we'll look at that in a second. The other thing I can see is that the line here where the slab is supposed to meet the wall is there's no actual hard line there. So if I look inside the wall, I can see that the slab's actually going through that. That's a quick and easy fix. What I do is I just open that slab up. Sometimes you actually have to get inside some of the geometry just to see what you're doing. Go to my push-pull tool. So I've moved my views to where I'm actually looking at this from the inside. And I'll go to my push-pull and I'll push this in until it's touching the face. It says on face, outside, active. When I click on that, now when I come back and look outside that wall, I can see that it's touching where it should. So that's part number one solved. This is good. I've got the stairs as individual groups, and I've got the slab as an open group, or as I should say, as open geometry within inside of this larger group that's surrounding the slab and the stairs. The quickest way to handle this, again, I'm going to do just what I did in the last video. I'm going to right-click on this. It probably helps to hide everything that's around it. So I'm just going through, and I've set up a shortcut for myself to hide. You'll see at the beginning of week 3 that I cover shortcuts pretty right out the gate. So I won't get into that for how to handle that. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to select this and right-click and explode. Now I'm going to triple-click on this geometry and make it a group, and then I'm going to look at these. I'm going to look at these different individual stairs, and it looks like they're all a little bit off here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to delete these and keep this one. This one needs to be moved over a little bit. So I'm going to grab it by this point and move it to that end point. Again, this is just a moving issue, so I'm being nice and deliberate. Now I'm going to move it down 7 inches. So I type in 7, enter. And I'm going to go from this point, starting here, I'm going to make a move copy. So I'm going to click here, hit my Option or Control button, go down to my bottom corner like that, and click again. Now I'll do times however many it was. I'm not looking at the assignment right now, but I'm just going to say 14, enter. Go ahead and make that into a group by selecting around it and then making it a group. Right-click, make group. Now I'm going to go ahead and edit, unhide, all, and bring it all back. Looks like I need a couple more stairs, so what I'll do is I'll go ahead and open this up, zoom in, open this up, and double-click until I get to the point where I've got the stair selected as a group. Go to my Move Copy tool, start from this corner, hit my copy button again, and do times 4. Let's see how many I need. Looks like I only needed one more. So I'll go ahead and take that bottom one, or a few more I should say, and delete that. There we go. Double click or click out into space to be done, and then just kind of click around to make sure everything is nice and clean. And that's pretty much how to fix this one.